Welcome to Leaf and Spirit. Have a seat. Can I get you anything? Tired? Yeah, me too. How about an Irish coffee? Irish coffee it is right now. How about a little Jameson Stout in there? Some nice chocolate notes, a little bitterness. Irish coffee. This is a simple one. That's 1.5 ounces. I like to use simple syrup, about 1/2 ounce. But however you take your coffee, that's how you should take this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Some good coffee. None but the best, Folgers. Oh yeah, buddy. There you go. Here's your Irish coffee. Well, you drank that quick. What else you want? Something spicy? I got something for you. It's a little Chianti. How about the old pepper? You happen to have an old pepper? You like Bloody Marys? You're gonna like the old pepper. Alright, the old pepper. Now this is easy. A little hot sauce. I'd say about 1/4 ounce of hot sauce. Maybe a little more. And the simple syrup. Say about the same as that. A little lemon juice. That's about 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. 1.5 ounces of bourbon. How about a little wiggly? I like the wiggle. Pittsburgh. About 1.5 ounces of bourbon. Or a little bit more. And the secret ingredient. Little Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. A couple dashes of that. Little ice. Coup's glass. I like a coupe for this. Alright. Shaker. Strain it twice. I like a coupe. Use what you want. Martini glass be real good. Garnish. The perfect garnish. Jalapeno pepper. There you go. Try that. Spicy. Another one. Something a little different. Something old, something new. I tell you what, I got something for you. Okay. My dry Manhattan. Ice. Start with some rye whiskey, 3 ounces. About the Whistle Pig. Whistle Pig. Whistle Pig. Say 3 ounces. That's it. 3 ounces of rye, and a few dashes of the bitters. 3 dashes of bitters. Half an ounce of dry vermouth. Martini and Rossi. Can't go wrong. Old martini glass. I'm gonna have this straight up. Your dry Manhattan. You like that one? Something different? Alright, I got one for you. How about a good old whiskey sour with some wiggle whiskey? I'll put a little wiggle in you. First, a couple ounces of bourbon. Okay, a little more than a couple ounces of bourbon, but I think it'll be alright. What do you think? Like 3/4 of an ounce of lemon. Three-quarters of an ounce of simple syrup. That's sweet, buddy. Just give it a quick shake. Make a mess. Raw egg. Just the whites. And give it a dry shake. Ice. Now this is the wet shake, as they say. Here you go, whiskey sour, beautiful. How about a cherry? Yeah, buddy, a little cherry, and just a couple dashes of bitters and a cherry. There you go. I know, putting your finger in your drink, but. Look at that, man. That is beautiful. I think I'm taking this one. Oh. And last but not least, smoky Coke. You ever have a smoky Coke? Got some Lafroig, ice, and a Collins glass. Or a tall highball glass. You might call it a tall highball glass. Last but not least, the smoky Coke. One of my favorites. An ounce and a half of your favorite Isla Scotch. And Coke. I don't have Coke. I love Coke, but I quit drinking it. I'm trying to give up sugar. So we have a little Pepsi Zero, nothing, Pepsi, I don't know what it's called. What's it called? Pepsi Zero Sugar. Pepsi Zero Sugar. That's what we call it up here in Pennsylvania. It's good, man. If you're a fan of Isla Scotch at all, this is nice. If you've ever tried Isla Scotch on ice, you're probably not a big fan of adding cold to Isla, but with a little bit of Coke, it's much better. It's enjoyable. And just grab a straw.